Komiti mar od bura matayo weche mag riwruok piny Kenya kod pinje ma oko nyaka sani dhi mbele kod chenro madayo dho jogo mande noyier kaka jombetre. Achiel kachiel wadhi nyaka e od bura mar winjo kaka chenro no dhi nyime.
Your other questions, I know I heard you talking about tourism. Thailand has a population of about 72 million, and they receive about 40 million tourists every year. That's more than 6% of the population. And if you look at Kenya and Thai, I think we have more Kenyans going to Thailand than Thais coming to Kenya. I don't have the statistics, but I feel that's what's happened, because when we go around, we don't see Thai tourists in Kenya. So how will you append that situation? Or to put it another way, how will you improve? Or how will you ensure that Thais also come to Kenya as tourists?
May I respond, Balozi? Keep it short.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The question by Honorable Kirioma. Indeed, there's already an interministerial team that works around these issues of trafficking, human trafficking. And, well, I may not recall all the membership, but we have the Ministry of Labor, we have the State Department of Diaspora, we have the DCI, we have the ODPP. So it is something that is already happening. But in terms of the recruiters and those agencies, I think this is bigger than Kenya, because there's the Kenyan side and there's also the other side in Myanmar and Thailand. So that is where partnership is very important. And it is, again, we have UN conventions on trafficking, human trafficking. And this is where we need to invoke such conventions so that we can work together, even at multilateral level, to address this issue. In fact, just for information, currently Kenya and Thailand are members of the Human Rights Council. And this is something that can be pushed, or we can work together at the Human Rights Council to ensure that we come up with a resolution or a statement on trafficking. But on the side of Kenya, our agencies must do the right thing because these fake recruiters, of course, they're earning money and they will not stop what they're doing unless somebody does something about it. And in terms of the monies they receive, we must also include maybe the foreign FRC, the Financial Reporting Center. We must work with the Central Bank of Kenya. We must work with Safaricom and Airtel to be able to track them, or these monies. So we should be able to chalk the sources and the conduits of this money from these recruiters. I'm sure if serious work was undertaken, we can be able to arrest them. The question by Honorable Kadio on tourism. Yes, indeed. Thailand is known for its tourism. Last year alone, Thailand received about 36 million tourists, while Kenya received just about 2.4 million.